Paradigm Kids, I hope in my heart that it's going well. Come join me for today's lesson.
Welcome to the Paradigm Kids video class.
We have discussed weather, climate change, global warming and dangerous weather. Today we can start with natural disasters. The first natural disaster we are discussing is a volcano. Will you repeat after me? Say volcano. 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 Can you remember what a natural disaster is? It is the sudden and violent events that are outside the control of humans. They are caused by the forces of nature on Earth and may result in loss of life, injury and damage to property. What does a volcano look like? It is usually a mountain that has a hole. This hole has melted rock and gas inside of it. When pressure builds up, an explosion will happen. Gases and rock shoots up through the opening or the hole and spills over. These melted rocks and gas forms lava. This explosion can ruin a whole entire forest. Everything will burn down because this lava is even hotter than fire. These volcanoes can even awake other natural disasters like tsunamis, flash floods, earthquakes and rockfalls. Some volcanoes can even be covered with snow and ice. If they explode, melted snow and ice mixes with mud and volcanic ash flows down the mountain. There's 4 different volcanoes, but the most commonly volcano that we know is the lava volcano. Let's have a look what a volcano looks like. Did you know volcanoes have different stages? Scientists have categorized volcanoes into 3 main categories: active, dormant and extinct. An active volcano is one which has recently exploded and there is a possibility that it may explode soon. A dormant volcano is one which has not erupted in a long time, but there is a possibility that it can erupt in the future. An extinct volcano is one which has erupted thousands of years ago and there's no possibility of eruption. Why does a volcano explode? The Earth's crust is made up of huge slabs called plates, which fits together like a jigsaw puzzle. These plates sometimes move and this movement causes earthquakes and volcanic explosions near the edges of the plates. The theory that explains this process is called the plate tectonics. The theory of plate tectonics is an interesting story. These plates are all moving in different directions and at different speeds. Sometimes the plates crash together, pull apart or sideswipe each other. When this happens, it commonly results in natural disasters. How many volcanoes are there? There are more than 1,500 active volcanoes on the Earth. Do you know where the largest active volcano is? It is in Hawaii. Now, what do we do when we find ourselves in a volcano situation? It is very important to know if you live in a place where there's active volcanoes. Always plan for a volcano. First of all, have a disaster plan and know whether or not you are in danger. Include a first aid kit, canned food and a can opener, bottled water, battery-operated radio, flashlight, protective clothing, dust mask, goggles and sturdy shoes. When there's a volcano busy to erupt, they will announce it on TV or over the radios. Always make sure to know what to do during a volcano. Follow the evacuation order issued by authorities. If you're caught indoors, close all windows and doors. Put machinery inside a barn and bring animals inside. If you are trapped outdoors, seek sheltered indoors. Protect yourself when ash falls by wearing long-sleeved shirts and long pants. Use goggles to protect your eyes and wear a dust mask so that you don't damage your lungs. When the authorities stated that it's clear to get out, it is important to cover your mouth and your nose. Wear goggles, protect your eyes and keep your skin covered. Do you know why we should keep our skin covered? Because lava is very hot and you can burn your skin terribly. Are you excited to learn more about natural disasters? Join us for our next lesson, earthquakes. Thank you for learning with me, Paradigm Kids. Please remember to always share what you have learned with everyone around you. See you next time.